ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्।
We finished 10 chapters and we are now in 11th chapter. So, Shabdas are given here: Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, Varna, Moksha, Murkha, Chora, Ashva. These all are which linga?
Akara pullinga. Akara pullinga shabdas.
Which gender?
Pullinga.
Brahmana to Ashva, all shabdas are Akaranta Pullinga shabdas. From Modakam to Modakam and Papam, both are which kind of shabdas? Napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga. Okay, now screen has shared. Brahmanaha means this Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, all are varnas, castes. Brahmana caste, Kshatriya caste, Vaishya caste, Shudra caste. Varna is also Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Varna means caste. Moksha, liberation. Murkaha, bad person. Choraha, Choraha is what is in English? Choraha?
Thief.
Okay. Choraha, Ashvaha. Steal. Oh, sorry. Chora. No. Chur is steal means chur dhatu is to steal. Choraha, Ashvaha is ours. Choraha is the person, one who steals. He is called Choraha. Thief.
Yeah. Thief, yes.
Choraha is thief. When we say steal, it is dhatu. To steal. Chur dhatu. Chur dhatu chorayati. That is different. So choraha is thief. Ashvaha, horse. Modakam means laddu. Papam, sin. All these are Subanta Shabdas. Means noun. Now Krudh. Krudh is to anger. These are dhatus. From Krudh onwards, dhatus. Krudh means to anger. Kup. Kup also to anger. Druh. Druh means to hate, or another meaning is to try to hurt. Try to hurt others. Irshya. Irshya dhatu to envy or to grudge. Asuya. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, Purnalika.
What is called in Asuya in English?
Jealousy.
Hmm.
Envy.
Jealousy is
Drushyate.
Irsha.
Jealousy is Irsha. Asuyati means to speak bad. I mean, to list out bad qualities about somebody, some bad traits about somebody, like that.
Okay.
Asuyati.
Envy? Envy, is that
Okay.
right?
Envy.
Okay,
Yeah,
exact word
envy could
also.
be correct. Yeah. Also, I think
Okay.
Druhyati may be
Dhari.
to deceive.
Dhari. Drishyate.
Druhyati could be to deceive somebody. Grow, like to deceive
To
somebody.
defeat.
Not defeat. Deceive.
Defeat
Deceive.
can be another. Mm-hmm.
Deceive, Purnaji, not defeat. Deceive.
Deceive. Or deceive. Okay. Here they have given the two meanings: to hate, to try to hurt. There are different ganas. This is Bhadigana. So in Bhadigana, these two meanings are given: to hate, to try to hurt. Okay, I'll look at that meaning. Next, dhari. Dhari means to hold or to wear. This is not dhari, is the direct dhatu. Actually, dhru dhatu it is. It is not dhari, dhru dhatu. Dhru dhatu, lakara goes like dharayati, like that. Spruha. Spruha means to desire. To desire or to wish. Next, nivedi. Nivedi, actually it is not direct dhatu. Ni is the upasarga. With dhatu. With dhatu, ni upasarga purvak. Ni upasarga purvak with dhatu. Meaning is, one meaning is offering. And the another meaning is to tell. Next, upadish. Upadish also dish dhatu. Upa is the upasarga. Upa upasarga purvak dish dhatu. Rupa goes like upadishati. Earlier one nivedati like that. Means to teach. Upadishati, to teach. Bhaj dhatu, to worship, to honor, to pray or to serve. Kran dhatu. Kran is to cry or to call out, to grieve, to shed tears. Ruch dhatu. Ruch dhatu has many meanings. To shine, to glow, to please, to like, to enjoy. All these are rich dhatu. Next, artham is given. This is avyaya shabda. Artham means is for the sake. When we say for the sake, this artham meaning comes. Like jnanartham, for the sake of knowledge, like that. Krute, krute also same meaning, for the sake. So we'll see examples in practice. Okay, who wants to decline Brahmana Shabda?
ब्राह्मणः ब्राह्मणौ ब्राह्मणाः ब्राह्मणं ब्राह्मणौ ब्राह्मणान् ब्राह्मणेन ब्राह्मणाभ्यां ब्राह्मणैः ब्राह्मणाय ब्राह्मणाभ्यां ब्राह्मणेभ्यः ब्राह्मणात् ब्राह्मणाभ्यां ब्राह्मणेभ्यः ब्राह्मणस्य ब्राह्मणयोः ब्राह्मणानां ब्राह्मणे ब्राह्मणयोः ब्राह्मणेषु हे ब्राह्मण हे ब्राह्मणौ हे ब्राह्मणाः.
So I think everybody is familiar with Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. So should we move to dhatus?
Yes, Purnaj.
Because if we spend more time in Akaranta Pullinga, then we can move further. So krud dhatu. Okay, we can decline all dhatus, 5 lakaras. Instead of Akaranta Pullinga, dhatus we can practice more. Okay, krud dhatu. If you want, you can open in your Ashtadhyayi. Please, one by one can decline. Anyone can start.
So can I chant?
Yes, yes.
Krotsyati, क्रोत्स्यति क्रोत्स्यतः क्रोत्स्यन्ति क्रोत्स्यसि क्रोत्स्यतः क्रोत्स्यथा क्रोत्स्यामि क्रोत्स्यावः क्रोत्स्यामः. Then lot lakara कृधयत कृधयथ कृधयतु कृधयतां कृधयन्तु कृधय कृधयत
Not Krudyataat.
sorry
Not
कृध्यता कृध्यथात् कृध्यताद् कृध्यतु कृध्यतां कृध्यन्तु कृध्यतात् कृध्यतात् कृध्यतं कृध्यथा कृध्यत कृध्यानि कृध्याव कृध्याम. then lang lakara akrudyat akrudyad akrudyatam akrudyan akrudyah akrudyatam akrudhyata akrudyatam akrudyam akrudhyava akrudhyama. Then vidhiling कृद्येत कृद्येतां कृद्येयुः कृद्येह कृद्येतं कृद्येत कृद्येयं कृद्येव कृद्येम.
Not krudyeha, krudyehe. Abhaji, do you know the lakaras and what is the purpose of each lakara?
Little bit. They are tenses.
Yes.
That's what I understand.
Which
They're tenses.
lakara is for which lakara is for which tense that you know?
I know of 5. I don't know all. I think there are 8. There are 10, but only 5 I know. So lat is for present tense. Lot is for Agnyartha, which is more like a direct instruction. Lan lakar is for the bhutkal, which is past tense. Then vidhiling is like even it is telling something to do, but it is in a more it's more polite. It's not as direct. So it's like it would be nice to do this. It has that kind of a tone. And then rit lakara, which is the bhavishya, future tense. This much I
Yes, we are also done so far that much only. So other lakaras will come in next chapters.
Okay. What I do not understand is what is Atmani Pada and Parasmai, Atmani Padi and Parasmai Padi. These words I don't understand.
We'll see that later.
Okay.
Okay. Next, krid dhatu, kup dhatu.
Should I try Purnagi? Kup dhatu?
Yes.
कुप धातु लट् लकार परस्मैपदी कुप्यति कुप्यतः कुप्यन्ति कुप्यसि कुप्यतः कुप्यथ कुप्यामि कुप्यावः कुप्यामः लोट् लकार इस् कुप्यात् कुप्यतात् कुप्यताद् कुप्यतु कुप्यतां कुप्यन्तु कुप्य कुप्यतात् कुप्यताद् कुप्यतं कुप्यत कुप्यानि कुप्याव कुप्याम. Lang lakara will be akupyat akupyad akupyatam akupyant akupyah akupyatam akupyata akupyam akupyava akupyama. Vidhiling would be kupyet kupyed kupyetam kupyeyuhu kupyehe kupyetam kupyeta kupyeyam kupyeva kupyema.
Next, druh dhatu.
दृश्यति दृश्यतः दृश्यन्ति दृश्यसि दृश्यतः दृश्यथा दृश्यामि दृश्यावः दृश्यामः कोट् लकार दृश्यतात् दृश्यताद् दृश्यतु दृश्यतां दृश्यन्तु दृश्य दृश्यतात् दृश्यताद् दृश्यतं दृश्यत दृश्यानि दृश्यावः दृश्यामा अदृश्यत् अदृश्यद् अदृश्यः अदृश्यताम् अदृश्यन् अदृश्यतः अदृश्यः अदृश्यतम् अदृश्यत अदृश्यम् अदृश्यव अदृश्याव अदृश्याम विधिलिङ्ग् दृश्ये दृश्येद् दृश्येतां दृश्येयुः दृश्येते दृश्येतं दृश्येत दृश्येयं दृश्येव दृश्येम लुट्लकार द्रोहिष्यति द्रोक्ष्यति द्रोहिष्यतः द्रोक्ष्यतः द्रोहिष्यन्ति द्रोक्ष्यन्ति द्रोक्ष्यसि द्रोक्ष्यासि द्रोक्ष्यसि द्रोक्षिष्यत द्रोहिष्यतः द्रोक्ष्यतः द्रोहिष्यतः द्रोक्ष्यतः द्रोहिष्यामि द्रोक्ष्यामि द्रोहिष्यावः द्रोक्ष्यावः द्रोहिष्यामः द्रोक्ष्यामः
Shivanand ji, please can you decline the druh dhatu?
Druhati.
Druhyati. No, not druhati, druhyati.
Druhyati, druhyatah, druhyanti. Druhyasi, druhyatah, druhyata. Druhyami, druhyavah, druhyamah. Then lot lakara. Okay. Druhyatu, druhyatam, druhyantu. Druhya, druhyatam.
Drhyata.
Druhyata. Druhyani, druhyava, druhyama. Then lang lakara. Adruhyat, adruhyat, adruhyatam, adruhyan. Adruhyaha, adruhyatam, adruhyata. Adruhyam, adruhyava, adruhyama. Vidiling. Druhyet, druhyed, druhyatam, druhyeyuhu. Druhyeha, druhyeha, druhyehe, druhyetam, druhyeta. Druhyeyam, druhyeva, druhyema.
Lut.
Okay. Drogda.
Drohishyati, drokshyati. Two
Okay,
kinds of forms are there. We can
Okay.
decline both ways.
Okay. Drohishyati, drokshyati, drohishyatah, droksyatah, drohishyanti, drokshyanti, drokshayanti, drohishyasi,
Not drokshayanti, drokshyanti.
drokshanti, drohishyasi, droksyasi, drohishyatah, droksyatah, drohishyata, droksyata, drohishyami, droksyami, drohishyavah, droksyavah, drohishyamah, droksyamah.
Okay. Next, Irshya dhatu.
Shall I do, Purnaji?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I don't know if Sanskrit is not coming. Will you able to do like drushyati, irshyati, irshyatah, like that?
Okay, I'll try.
Huh.
Irshati, irshatah, irshanti. Irshasi, irshatah, irshatha. Irshami, irshavah, irshamah. Irshoha. I don't know how to do this one. Irshuhatu. I don't know. Irshahatuhu.
Irshatuhu. 1 minute.
Irshatuhu.
1 minute. I'll. Oh, here I can't able to see the keyboard also.
Irshahuhu. I'm trying this.
Irshatuhu.
Irshatuhu. Okay.
Hmm.
Irshatagdha. Irshatatuhu.
No,
Irshata.
not like that.
Okay. Irshati, irshatah, irshanti, irshasi, irshatah, irshatha, irshami, irshavah, irshamah.
Yeah, you can do it next.
Yeah, okay. Irshishati, irshishatah, irshishanti, irshishasi, irshishatah, irshishatha, irshishami, irshishavah, irshishamah.
Next, lot.
Yeah, it's not yet on the screen. Okay. Irshatat, irshatad, irshatu, irshatam, irshantu,
Irshantu. Oh, okay, this one. Irshatu. Yes, yes.
irshantu, irsha, irshatat, irshatad, irshatam, irshata, irshani, irshava, irshama. Now,
Next.
lang lakar. Irshat,
Irshad.
Irshad, 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 Irshatam, Irshan, Irshah, Irshatam, Irshata, Irsham, Irshava, Irshama.
Vidhiling.
Vidhiling. Irshet, Irshed, Irshetam, Irsheyuhu, Irshehe, Irshetam, Irsheta, Irsheyam, Irsheva, Irshema.
Yeah, then next, Irsha, Asuya. Asuya is like chur dhatu, chorayati. Shivananji, can you do? This is not there in Ashtadhyayi. Asuyati is not there.
Amma, which one, Amma?
Asuyati. Like chorayati. like chur dhatu chorayati, like that it goes, but it is not there in Ashtadhyayi.
ओके असूयति असूयतः असूयन्ति असूयसि असूयस असूयतः असूयथ असूयामि असूयावः असूयामः. Then Lord असूयतु असूयताम् असूयन्तु असूय असू असू असूय असूयतम् असूयत असूयानि असूयाव असूयाम. Then लङ् आसयत् आसयताम् आसयताम् आसयन् आसय
असूयत् असूयताम्.
ओके ओके असूय इट इज दीर्घ और ह्रस्व.
It is
आसूयत् आसूयताम् आसूयन् आसूयावः आसूयताम् आसूयत् आसूयम् आसूयावः आसूयावाव आसूयावाम.
मध्यम पुरुष बहुवचनम आसूयता.
ओके ओके आसूयत आसूयम् आसूयाव आसूयाम. Then विधिलिङ्ग् आसूयत् आसूयताम्
असूयेत असूयेताम.
ओके ओके असूयेत् असूयताम् असूयेयुः असूयेः असूयेतम् असूयेत असूयेयम् असूयेव असूयेम. असूष्यति असूयति how to pronounce it?
असूयिष्यति
असूयिष्यति असूयिष्यतः असूयिष्यन्ति असूयिष्यसि असूयिष्यतः असूयिष्यथ असूयिष्यामि असूयिष्यावः असूयिष्यामः.
असूयिष्यामः दीर्घ. असू is दीर्घ.
असूयिष्यामः.
Okay, then next lakara dhru dhatu. Okay, who has not done?
Me only. धरति धरतः धरन्ति धरसि धरतः धरत धरामि धरावः धरामः. लृट्लकार धरिष्यति धरिष्यतः धरिष्यन्ति धरिष्यसि धरिष्यतः धरिष्यत धरिष्यामि धरिष्यावः धरिष्यामः. लोट्लकार धरताद् धरताद् धरताम् धरन्तु धर धरतात् धरताद् धरतं धरता धरानि धराव धराम.
Next lang lakara
अधरत् अधरद् अधरताम् अधरन् अधरः अधरतम् अधरत अदरम् अदराव अदराम
विधिलिङ्ग्
धरेत् धरेद् धरेतां धरेयुः धरेः धरेतं धरेत धरेयं धरेव धरेम
Then Spraha, Nivedi, Upadish. This dhatu, Bhaj, Krand, all are same. Ruch dhatu is not only, Ruch dhatu is only Atmanepadi. Rochate, Rochataha, like that it goes Atmanepadi. We'll see the meaning tomorrow about the Atmanepadi. Okay. Anyone can do this. Ruch dhatu.
I'll do.
Yes.
Rochate, rochete, rochante. Rochase, rochethe, rochadve. Roche, rochavahe, rochamahe. Rochita, rochitarau.
We have not. No.
Okay.
Rut visa.
Rochishyate, rochishyete, rochishante. Rochishyase, rochishyethe, rochishadve. Rochishye, rochishavahe, rochishamahe.
Next, load.
Rochatam, rochetam, rochantam. Rochasva, rochetam, rochadvam. Rochai, rochavahai, rochamahai. Arochata, arochata, arochetam, arochanta. Arochathaha, arochetham, arochadvam. Aroche, arochavahi, arochamahi. Rocheta, rocheyatam, rocheran. Rochetha, rocheyatham, rochetham. Rochethaha, rocheyatham, rochedvam. Rocheya, rochevahi, rochemahi.
Yeah, this much. Next, Upadish also, like Upadishati, Upadishataha, Upadishanti. It goes same way. Nived, Nivedayati, Nivedayataha, like Chur dhatu. Spruh is also similar like Chur dhatu. Spruhayati, Spruhayataha, Spruhayanti, like that. Then Bhaj dhatu goes like Bhu dhatu. Bhajati, Bhajataha, Bhajanti, like that. Next, Krand dhatu. Krand dhatu is also same like Bhu dhatu, Krandati, Krandataha. I think we all finished, right?
Yes.
Next, Niyamas. Niyama 38. Ruchyarthana Priyamanaha.
Purnaji, should I share the screen?
1 minute. I can. though. Ruchyarthanam priyamanaha. This ruch means what we saw the meaning for ruch dhatu.
To shine.
To shine, to glow, and to please, to like, to enjoy. All these kinds of meanings are there for ruch dhatu. Whenever these kind of meanings are there, then Chaturthi Vibhakti will come along with these dhatus. Like here, example is given, Balakaya Modakam Rochate. So, Balaka is enjoying the Modaka. Modaka means laddu. Balaka is enjoying the laddu. So, when we say Balak, who is enjoying here? Balaka is enjoying. So, the enjoyer will be in Chaturthi. Like here, next, Putraya Dugdham Rochate. Here, son is enjoying the milk. So the enjoyer will be in Chaturthi. Like that, whenever this rochate, rich dhatu comes, or similar kind of dhatu when it comes, then the subject will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Is this point clear?
Yes.
Next, Niyama 39. Krudha druhersha suyarthanam yam prati kopa. I think this must be Ashtadhyayi Sutras. I did not look at. I'll look at the numbers and I'll let you know. Krudha, Draha, Irsha. You can use these sutras in when Swamiji, before the Brihadaranyaka class, Swamiji when asks. Krudha, Draha, Irsha, Asuya. When these kind of dhatus and these kind of meanings are there, then also Chaturthi Vibhakti will come. Though whoever has these qualities, that person will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Sorry, not that person. On whom we are getting the anger, Vesha, and all, that person will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Ramaha Murkhaya Krudhyati. Rama is getting angry on Murkha, means bad person. How does it? Rama is getting angry towards Murkha person. So that bad person will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Is it clear?
Yes, Purnashik.
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ